On the national platform like this, a president mounts a platform, and all he said, I think he said in P, that the whole of the world or the whole of it's here, and then people start shouting at him. I think it is unfair. We must be ashamed of ourselves. I don't think it is a proper development in our country. And too much shouting connotes an absence of intelligent thinking. So, we're always shouting and shouting, but you're not thinking. You know what I mean? You're not thinking. You join the president, who doesn't know that times are hard? I mean, it's not debatable. We all accept that times are hard. Look, yesterday I was asking the system, I was asking, okay, look, this whole thing had been predicated on the difficulty we have with petroleum pricing, and then... Debia meka asamba na yesi yekwakapa yesi yekwakohu abrewa yanka se yekohu mono no amuguo na muti aye yesi nkube na amuguo no nyamu na yesi yekohu mu yesi yekwakohu abrewa no eye penin.
When you come to Galamsey, that is an albatross on our head. It's rather unfortunate that it's happened this way. Ghana was known as the Gold Coast, and therefore it was known. But during that time, it wasn't like the Galamsey that we are talking about. Many ones people were doing hundreds and hundreds of years ago. It was there. But unfortunately, it's gotten to a point where people are now using equipment that and all that, and they don't care about the environment or anything. But the question is, who is in control of that security around the area? That district level.
Again, America. Grand Mission among us were preview. More party for no, the Ombadjun and Hosia Tuma, the Evetama, no, my in Yama, I didn't cause Wabremua, Empire Barn, Mebuaman. What bear means on crop once a penny, do one answer Baba. Young answer Baba, Minister and Empire Bossa. Your name of Yamin is seeing it. Minquan is seeing it. Young Penny Yamano. I may met you again. Me when Yamin is sick, your home pie bonum the better with you. That is city one. That is city one of you. Fremon Kola Bremer Minimno. One nuntia will be and one nuntia will be a zone. She would the Oba who bet me a young one. There was a party for no who say, Yen Nipa, Madame MPP, and no Muyam and Nipan Ghana for you as well. Zone. One minute Ghana, dear one said, dear Momo Pen war party. Michelle could have said, on to us, the ABCBia, Bivina also a partner for your back, Wamra, the internal.
I've had engagement with the president not once, not twice, about 4 or 5 times on this reshuffle. You see, Sompa 93.1 Obia on the star or the Ayajuma. My pen another the conviction of how who says I buy a Momosukoso. Some people have the opinion say the people have a Jumano Ocho Maunia experience. Ultimate year, be a first year, 2 years from out to Tonoma. The permanent ultimate Jumani, anyone. And obviously, feel said, if I call it said, man, or China, it's mine. Sometimes you have to keep them on the toe near Sessa. Now, do in between 3.1. So, in as much as we feel said, when you say, SS is subliminal, you also believe, say, essay a month for to grow on the job, no minister experience, net me. Then, on ministers, ne, Kofoya can take it for me, say, after all, in say, because Ireland, why resign? 10 years, someone has to take his position. In the same Kofoya Makaso, back of presidential, you know, one or two ministers will more they are not well to be I don't want to back out until Munina and Uncle Fobu Pama Pina share said US system. MMDC is also a bisu assessment in the course. And I can assure you say at the end of the day, Omahe the coming near mammy say you bet to know my year, you be Ghana for or mobile pay Jumaye, Ben a Jumaba or Yajman Coso, a Puntu, a kind assembly agenda 111 hospital, sir. UCC, Matem, whatever Coso, and then you're no man of what you should. Until you wish after the trust on it.
I was here, Yamama Chiamama Kwaba, Ghana Fapem Jume Dieso, NDA, Sompa 93.1 FM. If it is Amreko Sisen on Krobabo, Yagudima Conforno Betanasie, na Omade Sports Abremodie, Ghana na Yesi Hon Enkonya, and March Bosomeno, Nida Etoso Dungotre, na. Yesi Ghana hon kumanya ne kra de yen komo no ebe ye centered in Kumase pa ye bidi Kumase nkomo pa ebize yetetin sem bebre kejetia enkomo achi ɛde na mpanimfo bi ka ensusuye be na mpanimfo bi no mo de ba yebesi nkonya na yedi nkomo de afa kegetia ho yi pa so we brutal bright entry na ahyehye ma ye mrantie ne ma ba wa e Sompa FM newsroom nyina e bomichidom ama ba bia wo bia na no pai yetimi abane aba besom wo we say etwagu o e Sompa FM so a okay social media handles ni nyina yesa so stream live o honum oko Facebook Sompa 93.1 FM Facebook Sompa 93.1 FM na YouTube Sompa TV Ghana Sompa TV Ghana wadwenche no nsusie adwene ni ba akofo tirim entususu betime do messages aba say your WhatsApp nom ne ade na say social media handles no yedi nkomo no ade toto no mo a ye bekenkan ade ama WhatsApp message na say text message no obetime ade afa 0243 220044 0243 220044 so whatever yeguso yedi dwuma no ye bekenkan ede amamu midin ede nana ya bo Libya Borga menemo tena if the samre ya kosise no nkro beba sports team ne beba no mo asomu Brahima ne Dr. Silas ne brother Kinum any school fees no madama no mo de yen ko TV ne so ama bebia wo bia no watimi ahwe bi ne watie bie na so wafamu adwene no wafamu aba na adu nsusu aba na ye adwendwene Ghana home na ye come say Sompa TV say yasa so aba live on your digital platforms ni nyina so we no hu hia say decoder no ho but ebia na wo no ba bia wo no TV antenna no de person de sheto na ya o de sheto na scanner Sompa TV ebeba ama watimi enjoy your programs nyina Sompa TV ya ba back ewo ye digital platforms no so enti or scan TV no a ye live hono a ye dwumedi ahodo nyina from kring to crank aha na ye fa ho adwene na anopa me titensem be free bantma anopa yi me titensem bi e the free bantma production team no hwe no mo ami akọ no ne akwadin komo ya tese bantma G runabout no so ye na bantma hene ne dan kesia wo honom ye Silver Crest abrosan no a Silver FM ne Silver TV wom no ya tese ejatom na ye hwese production team no de yembe ko honom sisia na ye hunu ne ye koso pa na mo be kai a be 2 weeks ni ye din komo bi ofia ha ye spare parts dealers or more so am magazine any businessmen e wo kumase e the complaints be a brain say ne customs any Ghana Revenue Authority mpedifo ACT wo no mu a omade tax force fo bi aba begu kumase akwa duty wotema akwa duty wotakrade sesa niema no e de egu kamu aba omutimi bakra bedru wo mo shops no mo warehouses ne ade na fi tax force fo ya basain and duty na hwan esa che niema na de koche se enyema mo fa mu nya asem anopai yate se Ghana Revenue Authority mpedifo e the response abrayen omo the response abrayen na openi sedu a oda as a customs division customs division no or the response bi abreya enche be ba kire musisi a o say or the response we emma spare parts dealers no ti omo so ye be ko omo nchen na sa response we a wo dey bay na omo so omo reaction na kwakofa eno kire be ko kejetia no a ye be ko anope no ya te se Ministry of Local Government adi susuye bi ba se ebe ya kejetia na esi wonum no yentum indefinite womuntu dwanim indefinite we eyensusuya local government ministry no ede eba yebusa se emano businessmen any women a womo atoto stores yi ni shops ya boarding afa ne ma de agumu no de enkomo na mpanimfo no omadi we eye ne ye tie yebewram na ye de hu nkomo pa ena kageti akro ya Ghana National Fire Service mpanimfo ede omo findings biaba na omo findings a omo ede baaye no dipa binom ede nsusuye eba se ebe ya management a omo ewo kageti ahonom no se nya pam na wose ye pam omo at least ye mambra ne omo ni se ye se smoke detectors ni ade a na wo edwanim no for over a year o But 2 years kurani. Yes, ya say. Ama fast service for na ka. Adia no munyo, adia no munyo, adia no munyo, adia no munyo, adia no munyo na. Ami amfa kwam. Ye kwati ye eni. Nti nipa bi no mo de nsusu e ba se management no. Yen deal with them. Because I can't win na some portions about 50 something shops no asye no so that part na ejato ye no you see shops be 217 or 200 and over shops and wo hono mo na ayese no baby wono ma eja no an kwhye de but heat aka nti ade na say or see tutu near fix for honum almost be 200 and something shops na was area no or say bia wo tutu ni nyina bia na almost fix for saka no hwan ni tua manager na wada kejetia no na wo so tua anase ma no na etua hwan negligence ana ama we no nyina ba anopai yesin kunyan yedi nkomo pa de afa Ghana no maka kire se anopai de ye nini nyina ewu kumase yene nyina ebegina kumase pa
oh boy mama ye betu mi biara ye fambo wa ye mandana asana yako ye nanu mama ye biko enonwe edrume nusu yansu seye baby dia tuasu
so baby
Abuzianti so mine be ya efrimi no mie no ne be ye wala tu wala sa ye nyina se be ye na oman no ebe ye na watwi yanti asem de keyeti ankomo ayedi yenko na ensem a amanfo binom ede to yanim na watwi no yenko na yenko titi kakrafa keyeti a
me pato eden na wo hu ye
dia tie no say me ba beto nku wo shop ho shop na me ba beto nku ne ho ne gya no toye na me to nyama na mdisi wo se me ba beto ade e wo kejeti asa aba fa me nyama no ti me dru ho na wusi akum wo shop ho enti ne pese me kura me tra se ke mebo wuram akoyi me nyama na me disi ho no na e wusi enti ne ntumi nko na de me hu ye ne se me be no no plug radio ma me no ayi ni be bluetooth ni bi ne me te ye ne se it is low battle please charge na baby a plug ni wono wa hye niam fa plug no ho enti baby a plug no wono e hol mu na wusie no sateye ena maame no so wone ayifo no kabade fo ne ade ne sa so enti wo yes no eto achi sa no ena kabade no flash yes e dey e blast ena meja no e flash yes e hye
ho na wo se wo
enti abusia we aya manfo binom so mo observations efa nefa ejane nyina ba yenom ne ade a say this is the current state of Kegetia sa portion na almost your friend extension first floor hono no a F-line no this is the current state to be a woman say and abusia eda ye TV no so nti join yen na be hwani so ade sese ne Kegetia esitie Ashanti regional minister say unlock Kegetia for 3 days nti Monday enam penimfo say on be biedwa no ne wanfa wade antuye wa wanto shop mu wa oniema nwuye na wakọ na de akọ tuye na ekirasem wonumaka eno ne yetie say ebia na o masa extended closure no mo asa extended closure na mientie ayi omo hospital bi o Kegetia ho omo ewo hospital bi ewo Kegetia ho na eye anwem clinics omo se sa na ye frɛ no eye anwem clinic for no mo na omo ehwe omo hospital no na mra ejane to ho no womu hwirisi fom womu a womu wiaye womu prepraye sa hospital no na dodo na ye de womu ekoye som de bi ko children's hospital ene magazine clinic ne ade na hospital ho no mo no ara wo semu osi ho no se womu theater room ni nyina se jane bi anto ho de but nsuo no ne ade no mo di gu ho nom ene ade ni nyina no ewura hospital ho no mo mo theater room de mfidie ni nyina ekoi ena baby almost scan machines nom ene ade gu nyina na medical doctor or deputy CEO or that hospital na no ene edi sankomo.
So far the casualty one so far on Okampo, I think say when they were escaping and she slipped and fell and hit her head on the ground, so it's just a contusion wound to yamano injections akrana number trobecha CT scan I say head injury or her. Yes, so far there she's the only person you've seen. Yes.
Na trauma and pressure because
upon says say no be dwane so ena omu dwane kwa o lock gates into obi antimi enter emba bi ntino ene de enyenye bi it be sure somebody baby on back children hospital also what the main yes enyenye also hana into
Abusianti we anwam clinic anasa anwam hospital a wo kejetia ne inside ya wo soso no na omo boade omo na prepare na raso omo ko na doctors ne nurses a wo honom no emfa ne so omo ne ma se ye nyina no still na omo ye adwuma se omo beboa ma omo prepare no omo atimi ahwe omo na yenko ma no so ne ni nkomo kakra na ye meto aso yenko ma no so na mene AC intim Honorable Augustine Collins intim swafa be di ekira ohwe yenkrase ene yamamu ehonsem eso na enra mayor ene minister of state in charge of local government eba kejetia no na oka ho bi yate so ma ye observations bi edin susuye bi ba se ebe ya kejetia wo mu close ni down nchimu kakra na nhwehwemu ne ade ntimi enkoso yi na sa problem na esiye no omuntimi nso anokra etesey honorable ma chen
Libya Borga mpacho mejoso
mejiri sempomie
nyame adom akora me hoye pa
Sompa 93.1
yeda erade ase honorable nanra muko kejetia ne hotesey
yo media medase ampana no kiada asantemai anti asemde eninti asemde bedru the honorable minister ene Ghana man penyen nim no ha home isan ntinenya de a betimati ada egum se Ashanti regional minister Ewa Simon o se mensa ene na pamfo ebe tu anamon ko ho ni esiri nyina nanso minister Ewa Danibutri to minister of state and the Akachi for Kata. So Yamra Meka board, KGT marketing board, no near said the how no is it na Yanfe and Namontu a bit me at you na Edia no nothing so ya yanchi ya a bit na boama sa oyene no a be inside in na nimdia ibinyano ya sign at the atwaso of Abraham being faced to no way. And you know, I'm by said the moti, na send me a baby who no may idea again. It's a very kajitia, and she say, yeah, company, dear Guan Memu. Nanso, you know, in the buy, and they idea again.
No abo enumu ne ye tete se modern susue bi ba se ebeya kejeti anke yantum indefinite na nhwehwemu no ntimi nkwa akire na enura akire ma saade we muntimi enso anokra ebinsi biu sanete
ni no correct the boom ne se ade biaro obetumi esi ho gina epa na aboa na emu nhwehwemu no no correct epa ni so ni me bebo ni mu so ni ntino minister HSA fire service any market company management you be a watch akra wo no nyina no wo mfa report enra nyamin chadi Kajetia phase 2 also contractors no one more year wojuma the consultant and until you charge a consultant and say 1 year thorough assessment and now near as a electricals plumbing works and need near kika na afi omayin eka security funds omunye nhwehwemu enhwe the root cause safety issues near a touch ma and going forward near I was here to do on report the managing director no here is on quality that report in your name on famra said the minister of formal committee. The committee no examine all the reports. Now, Namontua, you need to know what you said the day a beboa, ama intimacy, and now going forward, no, and far at renting beer ember. Sana is no.
Na honorable Ebasa Ekano when it ya.
I mean, your bema. It's unfortunate. Abra, I find your work to assembly near Menano, I catch ya, you've been doing. In none or you didn't number. I will hope. When the big Marco says, I just see a minor. And then, you know, the Ministry of Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development, Ghana, a job, any own a union, a woman, as a the ministry, no, na yet when we report, no, yet to me, I say, na yet to me, na addition, commercial something, my Ghana mania, and also at me, Ghana, Nimum, a future holding the same. So I had to ranking by it's a 3.1. Yeah, no, you soon at mine, no, a young pet and Mra and Mra a big boy and yet to enjoy passing for longer period for Yempe.
Okay.
No idea a hard papa. No matter the extent you did and running able to ignore, you know. Tradition now, Tiasi, not young fat and near Juma. India, and Yadia a big boy. Make come for Amma. A beautiful war and massively vegetarian. So buying through the Ministry of Local Government here to and among say better near a control that this is Umbinya ho abotre na omo amaya Jumapa said the bear a bit in Asumobi. Nothing so. And she said this a young fa eja in the road biane ewo stores or a fa gas in down Sebian. San near my bit in the Oye about me in Angels on the so. A Yenasadia, Janos of it to me, Sompa 3.1 more. And you can say Nipa Beto, the Nema Ewo Creme, Abrasos no one. San near many, you know, so you may be secret the car, Bunny Beya, impede traffic movement. And also, yes, and also the addition of the person. Now, going forward, your market company also seem to be a managerial symptom also already because essentially being sorry in free baby na omelette fa apata in secret money at the abra also 3.1 that many no the so far home report and the very minister a bit me ehunu oyebie market no.
Okay.
But me atuba so ku going forward. Papa atu said the market no. Bit me FCC na addition so etimenya kwa abaye so adwuma.
Mate. Ora bona je say Monday de edwane nya de aye bebie amaye nuanom ma na akodidwa.
Ejina the nyimtu eso I said enkankane bebia a general secretary, no, meaning affected structures.
Na yes, honorable, baby a janesi, no, baby a janesi, and a dear. I want to move close to an answer entire marketing.
The general anchor almost baby cry because of connections near the maybe I did be also obey ya, ye preco. Said the movie being in men after na achieving Iran, and don't know, me to said dear a Jordan the between I want to say every na no nim before no womo efutu ni akwanchira womo de ebedai ministry no.
Okay, na honorable arrangement a ewo dwanim no so tietie ma no a kaba de guha entoma guha na selection susu guha iti bibi ketua bi de chichire na de oye neba ebinom kradi nsusu e ba say management na omo kejeti a hono no sene yetete se fire service for bo mama ne say smoke detectors ne ade asay for over a year enie kachire o ma amfi no ebinom kradi nsusu e ba say be ya management no so no so mo ntimi a monyimfiri o mo nsam ne mfama ni pafofra a enko say sa aka we aba beto honom se hwan na etua eno so aba beto man no ekomu seyi
San semo mo kani nyina no ya titi bi na so ya titem nyina fact bi aso me ojibi se efifi mu edisa enema sinto de bani nyina ba se de be ya e kasa e chese ye kasa wonimdie ho ye ma futu a ne ma futu wo nimdie ho enunti ye ntwen ma expect assessment ni fact finding no be nyina na emba edi no and the Baminia Autosona Yakasa
Sompa 93.1.
And it's honorable done year 2 months for how long? 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Year 2 months for how long?
Only a bema, and no dear, Nihun diabetes, the Akawa Subsedemicano. It's fact finding assessment of Babaye, and me also, I mean, bet no TBS minister. Second report na obepes obey no ohariso said the beya ebitime die echana ma this year enyakwa akodibia.
Honorable yadase na Central Market Extension as a project no so no almost stop you contract yi adede asem na asi
almost stop we omuguso amoye nemum edu stage dia ehia ensa bibiri here a human being nipa bibre so the first na you know I can minor things are finishing ends near the and expect professionals no and we here plumbers electricians near man safo no so no and yeah there is on the normal liberals near the na more every eventually we will be cry
Honorable Ode Ebia na Uber Kumasi ache Central Market uko hwa eni G ne miami ahodo a contractor for year adwuma yi workers no over 1000 2000 omo amomo kofi omo bom so bo se sika wo se momo de ma wo mu no emma nti omo pam workers no ase adwuma no so slow kakra
eno die mehwehwem actually ya no mbekasa no mekisi gira bet nyinti sa
mate esi yedase bibia ni so ye besa ba wonche bi yedase pa no adaje anopai yo observe we eye Augustine Collins in team wo ye so afọ abedi ekira o share local governance so na yenene din komo anopai no ka ho enenra wo mu ko dwom ho no mo enti se ne no so ka kire ye no omu gina ye na ya sise ebia na adwada aso se be ye dwa ne nyina eno mo betumu no eno soso no akwakoyi bibibi nti wo de muasomra fidie ho ye gusu a ye kuya no ebehu bre cropotin a se Monday no ombe bie am yakodidwa ho ana se Monday no ombe bie mamanfo akototo omo shops mu ye no masa bafie na nsiesie ni ade a omo peso mo ye no atoa so ho no ana se ebe part na ase no no mo etum ana se dwane nyina no yedi nkomo na yahwese ye besi gina ye ho na mienti ashantere gina minister honorable Simon Osemensa ewo edwa ya ho
ye baaye no ehun se niema ne bi one way the other no anya adwuma se ne ana se dedi kan no wo ma ye ni such a way se your sprinklers the issue so in case we move a fire bar and no be turning on automatically but you know by no and me and turn on not just was in the public switching on and was here the hwɛ the entire by na CC the intimi who say smoke detectors near adwuma ana anya adwuma enti committee be ye ho adwuma betimi determine say adwuma na anya adwuma this time we kono them any fire commander Kraba Hamlet sabi the late one minka nyina ya and apani commander Jiwan so by and so ye ba say there's no time and also mo pack vehicle and now there should be any blockage in front of fire tender because emergency no bar e ja no only time o twen o e dey bi ado ka be si o
I was going to wear the Ashanti Regional Minister Honorable Simon Osemensa so dia what they etu ye ni memro no so call honum ekoho situation no a ewo kejetia no this answer me etu media no anim a wo chese fire tenders ne ade ade nyina no na ade ba ko ese fire service for e de to eye empanimfo anim ye se fire tenders ne de no ma ye ewo kejetia honom ba say fire tenders no a omo ye wo kejetia honom no eye new technology a omo Ghana National Fire Service for no omo ni bie you see a new technology no omo fire service for no ADB enti omo de krata akoma management no say omo na you see a friend say valve say de bi na e hye fire tenders na no omo en procure bi ma wo mu ewo eho se be ya bibini na samoba straight omo connect a na omo etimi aso ejana no nyina obi amai nyina obi amai ene ene millions of dollars na ye di sikijeti ni ampenfo ka kire ya ne say every year na je to central market ni ade no ye sikijeti ani say ya e bi nsi bio se ne ye boa tibi e kijeti a enkomo enno na abusuama men fam nko mo be kan a enkomo ye di ne last week efa GRA ti atetia omode ye dwedifo ewo mazi ha ene edum efemu di pana krane niema abegu takrade abegu temahabo waye ni duty bibia eniema no so modwira gu fom hunu niema kro dodo ne ade amoye hu duty etua ho ka asese gu kam obetu afri kumase abedru obetu afri takrade anatema abedru kumase ne yese tax force fo bi gu se ayi anwoma so se wan hwan finfin hono uduru hwa ye de twem o de fakrata ne kire ne se de wontiase e ma yese eye Ashanti region so nkwa Ashanti region nkwa na na sa de ne koso mo be kai ye ne eye opon nom buta mpanimfo ne mazim mpanimfo ne di nkomo last 2 weeks e wo fia ha sei ewrewre mu pa na eno na GR mpanimfo kire se sa consensus na omo raise ye no omo e the response aba omo brutal bright ene openi sedu Idrisu sedu a wono ene da eye customs division ano e Ghana Revenue Authority e di nkomo e de sansemi tu nanim ene wa send a response audio in an audio form so to say or any voice at the ascending it says 6 minutes 6 minutes okay yankoni yankuti Mr. Idrisu Sedu customs divisioner or Ghana Revenue Authority odano yanko na yankonkotie no nensemo a wode etu eye yenua brutal bright and brutal into
meet the security and health needs of the country because the country has passed laws which ban some goods from crossing the borders. Some are allowed but with restrictions. You must have a permit or a license from an authority before you bring it in.
Sompa 93. Yeah, abuza for extra mo frefre me producer bright no me sremo a mo mayenye adwuma anopei mo mayenye adwuma anopei Fade ne to ebia na isebeya omo frefre wante to imam pacho hema me ma benkenka mo messages kakra mo de aba e wo Facebook ne so Joe GH o say mo ye adwuma mo nyere mo ho KK so a o so mo yache na Mike Raw o say watching you good morning na Kokresin o say akoko amonu owo o so tia no pay the keeping it up na Nana Pon o say Oboya Baso and Pedro wa Madina Cruz Kumase Tanoso Kesben Junction wa and also wa wutie yen ba na hima sapon London or say omunyina tredin awo mutie and honorable Amisco Spelele so say the reintroduction of toe boot near their dinner ebeboapa yankori nkuti openi ali do say
first, they meet the security and the health needs of the country because the country has passed laws which ban some goods from crossing the borders. Some are allowed, but with restrictions. You must have a permit or a license from an authority before you bring it in. And then others are allowed to go. But all of them also, most of them also attract duties. And the duties also depend on government's priority. So you see that goods that are normally for everybody's use, the duty rates are very, low. Those which are people want to luxurious, the duty rates are high. So even cars, if you look at a car which is 2.0 and below, the duty rate is low because they expect, me and you to use those cars. But if you decide to go and buy a car with an engine capacity of 3.5, 5.7, you should be the duty rate. So the duties are not just collected by HUD, it's also used as an economic tool. But the borders, both the approved borders and the unapproved borders, people pass. People are not allowed to pass the unapproved routes, but people use goods to pass there. Others pass the main routes, and they are able sometimes to dodge some of the enforcement measures we have. We have layers of enforcement. So one of the layers we established is monitoring teams that operate at certain strategic places to ensure that if you dodge at the other layers, at least you'll not be able to dodge all the layers. So we have a monitoring team for the eastern frontier. That is our border with Togo. We have a monitoring team for the the western frontier. And then we also have a vehicle task force. The vehicle task force is a national vehicle task force. Even though every regional collection that we call them, they can also do vehicle design because of the ECOWAS protocols. People come in with cars and they don't go out of it as we have. And then they put fake numbers and then all those kind of things. So the vehicle task force also operates nationwide. So these are layers we have put to make sure that those who are able to dodge and enter the country or dodge through the approved route that paying the appropriate duties are apprehended and then they make to pay the duties in a penalty thereof.
Is it targeted at a particular sector, let's say e-vehicles, so that we say only vehicle importers or all general goods?
No, for the vehicle task force, when they go out, they are looking for only vehicles. But the monitoring teams that I've mentioned, they cover every goods. In fact, they are normally not also concentrated on the vehicles, but they cover all, imports that passes through the listing.
Okay, so what has been the success story of the task force so far, or the monitoring team so far?
It has been very successful. In fact, if I tell you that since they were set up, towards the end of last year, they helped in, apart from collecting a whole lot of revenue that would have leaked, their presence also makes sure that people know that even if you escape from the port, you will still be caught. So they have a deterrence role as well as a role that makes them collect money. So, a total short collection of about 85, but more than 85 million was collected between October and February by the activities of the task force, and that's the direct one they have collected. And apart from that, there have been arrests of goods which we have seized because they didn't meet the standard, the laws of the country. Some, include weapons. Some include, drugs that do not meet the standards that the country has given. But the direct revenue, from that period alone, is over 85 million that we collected from their activities.
And there has also been allegations of some of your team members or your monitoring team as harassing or extorting some of these people. Has it come to your attention? What's the action?
Yes, some people have mentioned it, but they have never mentioned. That we have always encouraged people that when you have such, they only mention it on air. Nobody has come to me personally or to any of our managers personally to complain, but they mention it on air that they are harassing people and they are, sometimes even allegations of corruption. But we are always encouraging the general public to come forward with any evidence of such a thing and report if it's harassment or this. For instance, quite recently, there was some video circulating about officers assaulting some people in a car. We immediately took action to, not only interdict them, but we carried out an investigation. And so anytime that we have a code of ethics, and anytime an officer breaches any of them, there are specified punishments for them. So we are encouraging the general public that anybody who sees or is, any such things will come out and provide us with the necessary distance, and we'll deal with the officers. But sometimes, by the nature of this our work, anytime you are also, our experience is that those officers who are strict on the work, people always find reasons to also accuse them. So we try to balance the two. That's why we ask for evidence. If we see evidence, we will not compromise with that.
I was going to weigh a penny Idrisu Seidu oko a customs divisioner a Ghana Revenue Authority asia wono ene penny pa wadano na wachichi nsemu kakra de achre the producer a bright entry efa yenuano mazifo consensus ne businessmen ewu komase omo consensus na womo raise ho no anopai abadwafo amini omo sinkonya minua penny James Nana Prempe assemblyman ewo Nana Prempe kra wa hin adiemra me producer atronhia yeso adiemra fanchine bra ode ne ho kwada so TUC na se Nana Prempe wuska uheska for so niska.
Oh, of course, Yamisha.
Yes. Yamisha. Oh, yes. Ningina de.
Oko free bob.
Ese wa wo bob obenya
free bob no na just onya asem me say senior ni. Ubuza na azo no de.
So sheska for so.
Normal. Na Ghana see
edit. Nana Prempe for ni mienu no mo de ase ani wo. Enje ho no. Ene enua Nana Prempe ono so a president Federation of Kejetia.
Federation of Kumasi Traders.
Yes, Federation of Kumasi Traders.
Nana Prempe patron.
Nana Prempe de. Also omo de.
Omaswodin brutal.
Omaswodin. Good. And then komo we nyina yebedi. Ena Alhaji Baba Moro so ewa ha. Alhaji Baba Moro ayeka no ho asemi those days. Nana Kwesi Agyeman time. Omo ene bua Nana Kwesi Agyeman Kumasi empuntuo Kumasi nkanko omo ena eboaye na mebusa Alhaji se ni Kumasi no a ne mranti brem wo bre ho ko ho ntokwa twe ho manso no enie ni aye nie ne fa na badansa na no man kwa mo no so na mene opon opare okay mazi enkodi enkomo emfa enkomo ya na yedi ya fa customs for no ne ho yeni enkomo kakra opare ma che
yeah jawo bla
na ho ye
ejala don na mo
Yede radia se customs pani say yan kan kire mu se mo nsɛm a mo ka nyina no mo ntimi emfa bibia meto nanim se ono customs pani no ebia mo di weni aba beto nanim se yede tax force fo bi aba begu kumase kwam a mo tete mo adwadifo a mo wo kumase adenji na mo ntimi emfa bibia nko nanim
o minua se o kan islamic tia Ghana fo nyina ne Ghana tie fo nyina ene yeku a e wo mazi me se so kasa sebio ya kohwie ye no yetimi nko no hodalet enti ekosi regional minister so na regional minister share say evidence mbla enti evidence bi bia wo regional minister ho na security coordinator our Asante region ono so ye the evidence no ama no enti e mo anim sem enti
opare Operate sane okase mumma nanimu a na odika o modi afa obi so se won famre no e bi kra na meduri
papa na ekuo mu haye we o fiti preko pen ko obi ho say o da ene ye wo de ohwe kumase so eti bibia si a de ohwe kumase so na wo se ye kɔ ho kane awon enye ono no hwe kumase so regional minister de hwe kumase so eti ye ne ye nya problem eti wo se ye kɔ regional minister ho no so ye sade ye kɔ na regional minister share boss ye fa emle no no de beko eti e kra regional minister say o de kɔ dada eti menti asenti o say ne nsan kan ye
eti say o say ne nsan kan enti mo be dey
em de ye be sa kɔ regional minister o de akɔje evidence ni nyina na wa tell kwan ye be fa so e bi hu no
Mate opare mate o de me enfa on enti
aha aha wo ka me say eye ntro ne say
aha
wo say wanya 8 something billion
ai
operation a wo ye no ono de ansika ne times 3 because the omoji okwa so a emba ban mu no omoji 15,000 20,000 8,000 7,000 na emba ban ne ho no ono no kra do so che de eba ho because omoji ka pena emu mi ensape na omo de ba office na omo de ba office so omo yi nyama ni go omo hutuo ana sekan ana kuma wom because papers na ye yakra adeti na okay say etu ana sekan ana nyama edro ye nkredro ya try paper no so edro ya try paper ya trust papers na wo paper no so na so wo say what ye a e wo say wo de yi container ne ba ya dwuma na wo ma nkrofo be gira ho na mo wo de call wo office na wa sa share say ye ma ya nkrofo mbe yi ye yi wi a ya sa de gu container nim e so mla no so ntesa
okay
wo say wo de ye call
Mate
ye dwuma na wo ma nkrofo gira ho
Mate
no wi na wo sade na wo kan e wo mu a
Mate
eye nema boni na omo ye wasate ujo ada na nema ne ko temade ye nche no fi tema eba akra ye nche no fi takwade ko akra ye nche no na kumase nko a eye kumase dwa no mpeso mugu no
okay
Mate dwa no mpeso mugu no
Mate opare
ye fi antase
Mate
so nde ye nkokra de betwa so
mo Mate enkwande na je se ye duru akiri ye da se wei enuanom mazifo no na ye ne omo edi eye enkommo no ni nyina eye customs for no ensemo a omo edi aba bontinyi mame ma bigafo akwaba na yeni enkommo anope na prempe ona wotena se anope mo achi
me jose bro menia
na ho ye
oh yehu agusu shia me matamfo na ebre
yede radiasi ni nua na prempe number 1 ni na prempe number 2
prempe na akwasi prempe
okay ni akwasi ma chen
me josu nua
na ho ye
honna mu de ba adwene mu de enkoyi
adenja
sa ohwe unu nua mote ho na mo ka bi nshem na mo tupuru ye ne we etimotoma
mo
nya dia obetimi amawadi
yes nyina amani alaje be so le dwane wa
ade
na ka se wadwene nkoyi amaza
na yese adwene mu die sa adwendwena beto mo so adwendwena ba beto mo so
adwene mu nkoyi ha
adwendwena beto mo so
adwendwena beto
so mo ye adwuma mo di loan ni ade na ye adwuma ene ja so di koyi eji adwendwene ni ho
ka se adwene mu nkoyi
eni emum alaji ma chen na impombo ko de ye de radiase eja kumase ho nkomo eni edina no pay eja olumai etutu wase do abasa no eja fa che wo ma ai mami sha se mfamfiri na prempe o na prempe kejetia kwaku prempe kejetia ai si ho no mo no mu si kejetia no mo ka kire ye say ade we eja hyehye ne eja to ha eja fa ha sei ebeye a tin of a pastor ye hunu ebie ukura na fi eba no say yate allegations bebre ayi smoke detector machine na wo kejetia ho na nya adwuma for best years say ni enya adwuma regional minister confirm my yen say pipes so said the and bia your friends sprinklers yes and so anya adwuma obi na de ne nsa ko so mu ko say you say kwere dey na eya adwuma hare
yeah edika yemfa aseda kese ma twedi amponyankopon ahwe so ma di pa chen na ya da so ti ase moje di mu afrisane na yemfa nhira nso nko santikotokofi European Society yeshana no pay
great
na yeshia na makunadu
yeah na sante ma
ono ya trankunya ne nyina
ono kura na dwa ye ne dia edwa wa sante nyina
abro odi aro wo che obia na yemfa inshaka sia zo ma trankunya ne nyina eye Kumasi Traditional Council ne Asante Traditional Council was when you made more try
akosi there yes yes
can I say can I 3.1
no correct okay echina so ye beko fi kesi ma kwa kosom
ade touch ma
yewra ne
santimanyina
no correct
yaw na me person can make Jerry for you want some ni bi kakra asama ba kejetia de no so ma me kwan ya
ye beba no me pese me ye no part 2
okay
why inti ye mo kejetia
kejetia me jidi se say the kind no say o how na wo ye dwan titu Central Market na what you be na e hye eduru bi kura that there is perception say ye maami no bi abosia bi o makoje o bank bi nti no
okay
ofiri se basa obetimi de akotete no edrubre bi kura so perception bi kura timi ka se bi nya nkomade bi kura o makoye nti
yes
edrubre bi nso na akoye se illegal electricity connection ankofo ye wodwane mu ye factors be bre na ne ya attribute eja hyehye na ne wo Central Market no I know the successive governments are back when you know. Ed started doing a crime benny before so I see sa or hana no coin. Because so share Kumasi Central Market is one of the biggest market in
West Africa.
And West Africa. Yeah. And he said, yeah, mammy, no more dready for a digger, and I said dready for. Was it be a casual for near Yakoya Mammy no qua? I got the prempenom, many be bro more.
Yeah.
And you see, some of us, apart from some, assemblyman, tia, me market boy, me a Kajetia boy, because Mamma Mosua, Kajetia no woman.
Kajetia Susuna Udipa, the
I make a Kajetia no woman. Yeah, China Kajetia those days, no, insure there. Poki chop better ba ya toton anka ya so itres wo kejeti ya abontre so edi sawo kan dwadie and ni title kejeti Central Market. Some of us we have passion for it.
Yes.
Because na amaya do baby ya dream. Now the main issue is in some ye kan ya assassinate as a buy my BC we no so they working me pese yes abodam free to me pese me free me was say aban assembly so authority
so Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly no parliament no wo mu bi nti dia na mo so mo observe ya mo
ye ntimi afa na ya si form as authority
Kement man fa na yen si form as authority wo KJT market no
mechanism na mechanism in a sense that say na me tu kwan actually yi me first commissioner me na me nuanom nyina eno ye koja ye ralancha maten
Okay.
A man here ni see ye maame part.
Yeah.
Ne maame awo no baza so. Yeah. Ya no aye kokra no kama. Enti ye nua no mo kan o me ye konkran ko ye ni nyina no. Ye ma wo ye do mo nyina ase, ye da Ghana fo nyina so ase. Ye man pan dada Yewura George Kokofo. Ye man pan dada Yewura John Mahama.
Yeah.
Any ministers of states any pan for mo be ja Yewura Kojo Chematen na busua ni nyina no. Ma part busua no. Ye do mo nyina ase na ye da Nyankopon so ase so de nyina so abedru. Me nua me kan sa che se wo hwe se the ye car see ye dwa no. Right from onset no. Ye defeat your purpose. Because yen and ye ma kwan see dwa no aye ke media and I make a menu no jadi for the montiazi. But ye ka came in anyway. Came in ye kumasi for nyina dia. Me sanya gozi prempene alaji mnete atu abama amia. Kayen from honorable member of Ademra Fanche Broad no quarters. Yeah. So I represent my people.
Okay me.
Okay me. And you know, you may say Johnny came me dia almost on Montias no. Came in the Kumase.
Okay.
And a year the more ye be say yen ko jama nemu. Ni ye se bien fa mo masem en ko to jayen hwe se ye be jan hye pa dia mamo. Now the thing is and you say pa na ye no ye ankasa asasem yitimi jan na so na because one Edru baby ne say Jano Kra came in count. But to be a casa mentiase came in a ma approval because a busia ya kwaji the Bayer market no. In the name of assembly no. But assembly need to me so bet me aji size kakese no. And a Ghana buying a name no more from all source agreement loan.
Okay. And
this kind of in the name of KME on behalf of Ghana government. And just the Ghana government, they didn't know. And she said in the man was see this union and I was a party through Parliament of Ghana.
Yes.
And then now, yeah, but I say the best strategy. Well, my I'm say a gentleman something they be brave, you need more asem. Yes, start yes, sister being careful more in our crown or your cartem na.
Sani ya di no senke fomo nyina ye cartem na la.
Ye ntimi afia na ensi form. So they make a
be bebrina be shops.
Yeah, they form of the tuana sabe shops. Simply because they do baby no. Now something no, it's more like what is in Papa in it. Yeah, church on say go chi na ebo yem. Adini say the answer need to me was only to me count.
So to me count.
Obeka ye John ye do baby ko eche kakra nsa na. Yeah, for the resident consultant that's Vanguard.
Okay.
Tokaya.
Okay, yeah, make
2 years into the project.
Na prempe say 2 years into the project.
Yes.
And ye kofa.
No, 2 years. No, it wasn't. It's like 1 year, 3 months or so. Na adwana ko achile kakra. I know you be those days you raise concerns be brave. Anya adwuma. And no dira baby am regional minister obi am mention you Simon
Simon.
And it do baby was me no ko odwanu wa am mention no sa kekan wo baby. So me come say regional minister dey say me intimi need na tem. Say bi so ka bi na me nya adwene me kire ma adwene. Ba say me bi ma no di ma tem dey say bi maybe am free ni an say me say. You regional minister be obi am mention you so me ba ho ne. Menia Obeka ya edwaye kan won sem bebre fast forward no ye be ye edwane nyina wi no kai say assembly ne yesa akohia ai say o se ete SPV special purpose vehicle omo bro for kasi aban di aba
ana mo de be den
ye de be de me kura me te vehicle na me gasi kotwi ka bi ye say aban ji shem no say assembly na say aban ye dwuma bi say ya na ye free say ye ya intimi hwe so a eno na ye shem ye free bibi SPV say wo be te adwumakuo e wo wa wo mu
no ma hwe so
ma be hwe adwuma ne so ama wo
okay
eno any the birth of Kumasi City Market
okay
e baje no assembly e ma ye boboy ebi ye KJT market ebi ye Central Market one market ni nyina ye ya ni adwun wo say e be befete we and the saba be qualify to the space of the register general na any e born ye nkomra ye be wie no Kumasi City Market Limited. Okay, as city say limited liability company biano, you need board members.
Aye.
And you know, or say introduce board members.
Yes.
The introduction of board members, no, and a man, you drew the factors, came being the client and I said the owner of the property. Santamine Council being the actual owner.
Yes.
Because one assassin
and
the KMA is more like a caretaker to a Santamine. But because KMA authority, they are a direct beneficiary of the, I was saying the greater percentage. Local government, as a matter of the assembly, finance ministry, because the loan of facility, then the reps from the traders and the transport unions.
Okay.
Members of the board. Which say the mechanic, KMA say you can't say any idea. The mayor become the board chair of the board now.
Okay. And then mayor, current mayor, Sompa na board chair.
Mayor be Biano become the board chair of the Kumasi City Market Limited.
Okay.
Coordinating director is a member. And then lawyer.
Regional coordinating director, Nana Metro. Okay.
Yes. Ideally, we share the concept. The coordinating director should have been the secretary, but as corporate entity, you need a lawyer as a secretary.
Okay.
Therefore, the legal solicitor of the assembly become the secretary to the board.
Okay.
Which no crowd mean say, or master agent, you know, said they if you want to change it, and I can confirm to that.
Okay.
But when you make because he say, your former board need be behavior, after acquire say. Assembly no so ye me kodwomokra as assembly member official there was say me quarter to the board to the coordinating director and me board amane say Nana Prempo ya assembly member for Adiemra for Antibra electoral area me kodwomo bi
enti say bia me assemblyman for yemfa ne se kejetia na bia me kodwom ho na bia makwa akɔhwɛ bibi ɛwɔ ho na bia assembly meeting my report to omo I just me tro letter the call board ho my board ma approve as a process we
ya woni made pa assembly say dem person me kan sa na wachi mu sa pepepe enti me nko say kwagu prempe kwoto ade wo kajetia nemum as revenue convener of KMA say me say me kwa kohwe sika sama wo kajetia no kra me need to me say me
betimi akọ
na me person me ko so age say me try to coordinating director no mum no ani me yadwun won say wo kwan say wasa me kwa o ma try to the board as a board not try to the management
so na management na respond
say you betimi aba na say intimi there be the committee or whatsoever but what you say
na say ne kejetia na nye KMA mo dia
assembly na no me wa no dia that's why the mayor and the board na
ti normal light bill in sem nyina se na KMA ti baby na omusoso enye omasem na omoka no
do baby no na akoye se mayor no kodru board na say you refi say what the board no so as board chair because we the mayor of KMA ne mum ni afa say board ne dia ho ye so autonomous in principle ideally I was say every year the mayor should report and as every assembly meeting in the especially in the mayor's address or report to Kumasi City Market to the assembly or
mayor report.
Yes.
Okay.
But do a na question and this report should have been a detailed report on financial and everything.
Yes. Report and also cover BBA.
Yeah, man, say we save we bank BR. And I saw a share with our bank
BR.
And then the annual general meeting of the stakeholders.
Yes.
Because you be kika musika mu dia be shame no. Baby I could do actually mo. There's a drew baby na question. Obeti oh keyetia and as a journal course CCC but na ye just
as ya urafa so instead that
so now adie ba kwa ednam do so a de mama ko fa free baby am fa free nyina because enu nti no hwe a ye ka say commodity market no ye ntimi and stake neck on it
say ye commodity market
okay right from onset yeah registration yeah the commodity base and this what on tap in time what on yomu any dia yeah registration provisions registration
we say omunyina be call one line we nyina be call but ura dwom ho no mantesa
yeah the counting committee na prempo madaroma especially Minia Central Market for no money e ko so mo madwai mu you are danso nom consultant to
Mr. Danso, Mr. Emmanuel Danso. Producer kura nya na mami anope anka mepe.
I say Britain for mo be boya me ya face 2 you say omo hwe face 1 no say de
e be si akọ
ahihia ma na kodwane mu eni to mo ko fa brofo bi ba say the counting committee
the counting no so say
the counting committee who near Puma Puma president ma na chair the counting chairman baby will be am chair no
opo
then you say yen konko sensitize edwamufo no yen che wo so mo move ba
KGT aho
ye koye se adwuma na ho na yenya the concern group bi a no mo so solitary in fact ye no mo ye ma ne drum bi a antiase ye adwuma the county committee ya na yesa boy ye allocation of the source no because allocation ye na chiche nkrofo store ma omo nemo omo hihye wie no ye na ekoche omo nkrata ma omo edu be ha oba culture center se memeti ha na metia na let's cry me be a provision for less alaje tia
okay ono so ni ekuta na ebi antuma
for na kwasi
prempes so
wo cry be agrochemicals
for less okay
enti we bobo ne croford na we bobo ne croford sa na mo ni nyina ituma ne koso now the implementation of it se me de yabo amade amano also ton provision yes starting in a provision waka so ton and ya ye data ni nyina and ya hye dwa sa say provision for mbekwa we mu bekwa afre ya de modie ya de ma mo wie no yabo amase ne mesika ase because my court na fear 2 months timi ton provision bi timi koton so enti entuma fo no mu ho na ya ma se wo koton tuma
shop ho se koton tuma
na the fridge akosi wo se me koton so ho no
mi wa so ebia wiring kra ne ade
bibia was stand na ise
to suit niema na wo beton no ho no
ye ko market of first pa no shops bi wa bibi na fridge si ho na me kro mbuza mo say that's how fridge ni na say way because it was part of the cost of the project
okay
baby ho a ye de omo mu yetire no basin na ye de yetire no be bi ne bi si o je we ye omo mu yetire we ye omo mu botire because obi be boniti obe wuru ne timu ansa no abone sa basin so ya de na ni si ona ewe okọ baby ana restaurant na omo ye ne seche we say
omo ye table ni nkonya bi na no me fa ho na table ni o se nkonya ne ba kokura bu
is not allowed say can be crowd the cylinder ni baby bebo system no say no tell no more gas or more installation baby
yes
ni na way oh but the drew every time say they make board ne buy na management buy no assembly no mo de mo ti mo kan ho kra
assembly ni si baby.
And now, where is what making you no more be and can say be a Sampan? But Sampan by the whole distance has been done.
No, my year,
but just wrong.
Now, send a board no so feeling
big time, big time.
Because assembly no time and a board no my and assembly need to me ye wing out to all my.
I will attribute a whole lot of issues to the board. Even with meter somewhere.
Yes.
You see, Anna. Sometimes, and I young Crawford I also bear with them because the law of agency, Emma came is still them because even with the board, you are still the owner of the property. That's why your mayor is the board chair.
Is the board chair. Nti mamu he manen say answer.
You want from so I say. Who you want from any? Wow. And no na do be na e be regional minister or can asem na no attribute to Kemi. I know na bia ye mu bi so aba be kebi na be ase ye ntie ho ase abam
Martina na odi sima me no
we nyina maka nyina ma attribute to board ne keme ni nyina no adwadifo no so no omodwene ho se edwane your ma dia omo so nya de omo ye
okay
because you see commodity market omo na ama na anya commodity market obeka cho say who came on our to me and I said management and board na wo to me say can be kwa wo na wo so obepa me enti unim de enye na wo koye de enye na me mepa mo ye fever wo so okay say me ni nkati ozo koto mutu asese ankwan ni egusu mame enye no na akun
no kre no kre eno ana de uko no Mate abusia ne de James Nana Prempe wono eneye assemblyman nema desia womo ewo fanchine brade kwa de kusi eye TUC nom ene ade eye okokeme susu a revenue convener meboa yes revenue convener ewo KMA mamemra ni nua eye kwasi Prempe ho ono soso kejetia traders no omo groups no odimuntintima pa ne group no edimuntintima nsana maba alaje ono na pani gariya omo masedwa no omo masedwa no debi omo nsidwa no na omame document bi yemfa nto TV ne so ne start discussion no ima me pa cho mafo de document na ma fa to TV ne so na yemfa start eye discussion no banana adai kejetia adai because ni nim say de we de ya tera ho but obi kra ka kire me say this is the second time ejanashi no kre
oh we on a larger scale need we need the first one
but
say eja to honom no 2020 first floor aircop pamper association ma me ba ko ono so ne shop na and na welder and no mo say yenye extra locks be na welder no catch fire but yetimi so an na wo ba canteen no area hon mo so there have been some instances aduane fo no bo so go na akra na one ne ye aduane no gas no ohun se no si ewisu no nti e man ko duru ba bi kra say Ghana National Fire Service penny for wo kegeti a hon abra isa cylinder short one a man friend banku cylinder no
no mtibi ka banku wo so titia no
abra en wo kegeti a ma ohun o kanti okro mu sizi one unfortunate incident bi crash yema fire officer bi ku sizi ba ko de ma ne bru ni nua ya ntoma hema kra ni die ni mo de call efficacy
wo bua save project no
ntina ho na ma
na Prempe be ka se okay maso den no kre maso den ampa waje atumi se maso den
ya ye nipa be mpem so te ba bia enye den ya ye nipa die said bi obi dru ba bia obi be ya asobranche kekere and can pass
na Prempe oti eja no sei ya tisiesi obi na kambad obi na de ende oti ne se go oti dwamu obi oti ne se
eja no started be 412 specific
412 na get 12 minutes upper 4 ho ene eja no started
na sabre no na ba bia na ye nam odwam no me ne ye general secretary Ruben to nya sa call na o say say area hono so ye say ye twa kegeti amfo ni a and say ye main building nankasa ewo ho
yes
na han ba bia ho she hono ye extension
yes
so hwe ba bia opem so ho ni si a otu anya bo say edwa nankasa dan mu nankasa si wono ma
atwe bi aba okay nti hona ase utimi fa se ekwan da se na utimi fa kutwa runabout no okay
It was an extension on the first floor. The first floor. Was a ground floor, first floor, second floor. But we in Nankasa, I shall say on the first floor.
Okay.
It is our first floor. That time it's our first floor now. So now, general secretary.
Okay.
Yana,
so join you TV ni so say na tie. Enti na just say first floor of extension ni.
Ejani say sia na. Baby a AC ni bobo ni nyina no, hospital.
Baby a AC ne bobo ni nyina ye baby a hospital no no ayanwem hospital no okay
it in the far end no so ya Santo Rural Bank but AC ye hu ni sesi ye de konfanochi ya Santo
Rural Bank omo air conditions na bobo omo branch e wo ho no air conditions no okay enti na say extension no kra no e wo ne stairs a enka obetima fa so e de asifom e de akọ the second floor so
yes and okay. Extension session hon mo so no steps no at them beto the current construction site or more offices on them. Sir, and Penfona Miati as Yasenka, Omu phase 2 na, sa extension one mono. Ombe ebe ye fund bia unam swana de ra phase 2 nimu street.
Oh, okay. Intinka unsane sa steps kesiye bi no ma ye.
Na ombe ye free.
Okay.
But unam sa floor no so sa na udi
ra Central Market Street. Okay.
The sa session on minti. Ruby ne di kan e from leadership no. One man of frame same way. Ejato obi woman bishop.
Idea na di jana ba.
Say ene ya me no work say on say that time on no do na emusi ahase it the first na be say kwan be so ye be fa ye bedum to an on no free fire service and for no na enyema anuanu bi tonton wo ho ninti within the first 5 minutes na 3 explosions
ade no moto no ya te se kaba
anuanu bi ton kaba do ho ebi mu ton sodium ebi mu ton tapping time ebi mu ton paboaduro solation na bona unse sa nyema bona de ton paboasi bona makro tire ye de ekumu no man ni nyina unse
se kete rubber kete bi no mu nyina bi wo
na bi mu so ton enwi bi mu ton panties ne sa e mix
eja to mo be se.
Yes, because the cry said the man Johnny free one time sodium ni bi a pie gun so nim so gu ho betimi araw ti na a very ehunti the man here ya ne say there was a nearby hydrant na bend the first block there was a nearby hydrant na bend the first block memamro e kwatwe hose no na nsuo ne ma
fire hydrant na bend
the first block na stop ni di ka shi.
Yes,
fire hydrant na esi honom na memamro sa edwande bi o mu educate yom.
Okay,
team na extinguishers.
Okay,
memamro
na extinguishers na ye adwuma.
Oh, na
hydrant kura na nsuo ma na
extinguishers no esa say ye adwuma kire say bosumi bia o mu de bail traders fire extinguisher maintenance bosumi bia ye
de bail mu na ye adwuma. Mo try say mo fire extinguisher bi ayi
wait ma do na go fire service for office o mo say amanfo wiewia do na extinguishers no do na go fire service for office o mo say amanfo wiewia
hey edi
na sere sem so bitimi ko yes no dey abegina na shop o say jare ba na video so mo say jato video ba say so say to akoya stay with the train say jare ba
go baby eja
o dey chair no dey
to bom o say the explosion e di ka ba no so e ma hu to.
Yes, pa
before fire person no when we e di ani mu modi ka ba no hydrant no dey be ye nso ne mba because the centralized pressure pump na a supply into to the sprinklers no and now say aye 40 ama ya kan ho asem for the past by 7 to 8 months in it no yatum o matum
na management no mo ye dey
management ni na atum say ade na 40.
Yes, aye 40 no jame adom contractor for no eda so krom ha o mo ye adwuma den na esi o mo kwan so bebo mama na ese bi ade no aye 40 mo ma fix my
na ni so we busai tie me ensu gusu busa enye se yensu yete ye ne antu ho anamo enti ekoba se sa ni nya eja na ahase enti explosions no ahase emuse ni bagugu na that part of the market no me pesa me ka ne that part of the market no abrofo na nkasa esi dwa no unse hon mo na ye open space eti abrofo na nyansam no omom de omom kata so.
Okay,
hon nye the main market ni mo a omom de wire mesh ni bi na kata so
nti we no omom kata so
se o hwe se o zoom pictures ba bia ade a che hunu dwa na o gina kira beka se o dwadi ni bi na akobubo container ya na hunu sa se container.
Okay,
enye container ohun ni say e container ni nyina no eye mmoso na abrofo na nkasa de boss no e cave in no na echi abeka so bi na abo containers onto ma sha say defend o mo ho na adwadifo no de container akokata so ye ko ho sesi a ba bi ho ma ho anhye no sa extension mu nyina no abrofo na de na de kata so
na de ne kata so
enye mesh na e wo the mainstream market ni.
Okay, Okay.
It me from a layman's point of view. How they shall send you no for news. I mean, Abrofona ne kataso.
Okay, nti we no akwete say ye normal chance ye de boy containers so no.
Okay.
Okay.
Enti say let's assume that I say session ho kra no ka sprinklers ni ye adwuma akira omoko activate sprinklers no pressure pump no manual almost be 45 minutes after no. Sprinklers na background na egu nchense no so na atena gu fom
na sprinklers no ebegu sa nchense we no so ne omde akata so no so
me wa ke mainstream market ne dia enam se na nkaye mesh nkanta ni ntino nke so ni begu shop ni mu straight
okay
enti dia ma ejani dumu ye den no onse edi kan aka se obi ton mpaboa duro obi ton kaba obi ton atuduro obi ton we ho enti ene ade no so ya boso ene ja no so ene nam enti bon se bon na ho ema ne ma musie no ye kumu no enti ne tem bi ejani ginam enti hanum ne dwadifo ne ko boso now as far back as September last year ena ye hu se smoke detectors wo KJT
ima fa document ne to TV ne so my fa to one side say ma ha
enya adwuma
enti no document ni ana
we krata fire service for kra de ko ball management ne kokko as far back as 30th September 2021
say follow up on a fire certificate application
ma fire for ne di follow up we ni ba ya ne say KJT ano on say a commercial facility and every commercial facility no say we insure enti let away say no echo abra na management no copy fire certificate e dey ko renew KJT
insurance it's not just a speculation echo say KJT ano any insurance na nya no krembo
ya no kre KJT insurance
and any insurance here then you see renew
ejana to KJT na KJT insurance
asat dana eja to KJT or na KJT insurance
because the current policy na cover KJT an 9th November 2021
okay
9th November 2021 it will share fire service for letter na 3 months to the expiry of the existing policy and or reminder no
say what dey new
enti say what traba say pay fire certificate na mum me men eba edwam enya say me kasama fire but as leaders no yenso a chance upon the document no you taking on ntina me ka ho ase
okay
say smoke detectors enya adwuma the alarm system warning alarm system enya adwuma couplings no on say o hwe fire for no drobel hose na omude supply nsuo na editwe nsuo na dade bi wa no
enu na no pana make say yes fire service hono twro de command management say dade no technology no
say omo say on say KJT an ne man be bre hon ma na customized from Brazil it ade bi hon ma untimi nya no open market
yes
enti Ghana National Fire Service for there ene we mu there no enye compatible
okay
nsia but no kra no fire service for no kan ento asumu kire say omusi idwani wiye no mu ye inspection
good
then na mutimi mo the first fire certificate mutimi ko dey say first insurance
no man ka say that day we doesn't suit your system
no eba
no correct
from day one as our couplings no it then na first time no mutimi certify fire certificate and the the first insurance and no questions from yanko yanim smoke detectors and as water Ghana water pressure pump na central pump na ebe de ayinaba no na eno so because aye 14 fire service for marriage say o hwe omo krata ne kra na omo reminders 3
fire service for no Emma management no reminders mako miensa
yes the last one and then January 10th 2023
and you did 2 TVs na
na
okay
na we mo na ekoso nyina this document we nyina no na yen on say fire or try on trader trader
so
onim ye or try the command
management yes
but coincidentally this very document we say no ye intercept early this year ye intercept early this year it ye intercept ye na say oi na say de ye ti hu ni ena de na management no ya afa ho nti ye hyase say ye kasa ye twere ho enkrata say ene na sika amaji ye beba insurance no say sika amaji ye ni nyina no say mokura no sika no munyi muntimi fa nkoye de say mo de ye enti firefighting system originally na omama yati asese a very robust say oyo ne bi esia ebetimi aso ano ntem na enkoye kese ti say we say no ni nyina timi sha say adwuma na adwa na almost 45 minutes nti eja to ba bia sebe saa enema we ya tonton wo ho saa bia no
de ne besi Matase.
Edi ne besi. Enti enye deliberate say dwadini bi ti ho enese ne Ghana aye.
Na ye say na nipa bi bo fire service for na baso ne omonuanom police for na baso say they were quick enough say omutimi so ade na no mana extend anko larger side no.
Dio anim ene ye the 2IC or KJT and Opoku. Between KJT fire post na wo biana ejana eshen on any normal day say o nantia we take bia be 10 minutes
no adru
because o be far ramp nim easy say win but do any omudi can rush by na wo buy no wo hydrant na is one kranzo ne ma it obey den
fire service for no omo work KJT ya honom no fire post no omo rush by omo duru honom no
hydrant na omo de be twinso na
be twinso no nso nim
na omo sum ni Eswanim. It is almost right. I make say in between. Be say you know even crab MD taking be 20 minutes no the bedroom the scene. KTMD no.
Okay.
But that time ni na hydrant ni esuani ma. It will rush by no. Ebia fire for no so nim de no mu say ebia the kind of fire na ewo ho no. Ebia mu say na extinguishers ni ntimi nso ano.
Yes.
Enu nti na ma kwabena ne sa rush koso pressure pump. So
Matase.
And na kofasa o how nyina ediaba. Na manfo e charge.
Na insurance na musi ni honom no. Local government minister deputy aka kire say omo BCC wan e bitua.
Mama be me say na ye ka insurance no insurance nyina no e bia fire service for krata we. But ye adwadifo ye wo KJT ade. Mo insurance o.
Mo nim say insurance o.
Yes.
Cheche mi mu
de ntia me ka say insurance wo KJT a ene say. Any quarters bia adwadifo ye gina ye be ka say insurance wo KJT ane say. Ye ra KJT a 2019 but KJT adadafo no started full operation early 2020
okay.
And January nim January man ekwana ndi ni January central market for sha say omoba January February March na dey call COVID break ye call COVID break ni ba ye ni June nim and management brain e sha say omo my bills na bills na omo sha say omo dey brain no omo kuchire ni in such a way say almost say garbage, security, fumigation, and a cleaning.
Yes.
And on a war bella on the bread a dready phone so. Ye ko muno, near Shire say, now cast a garbage, dear Okobian say a bola, Yatiasi. Na cleaning no, a dear ne come out to me that figure, cleaning quite be a woman at this figure.
Yeah.
A dready for candy for or the shall say, Shishimu. And no moon ye ko who say. As part of the service charge, you know, there is an insurance component. Omode Bailey Jedifo, which is 51,557.48 pesos every month.
The man say 51,000. And man say with 500 million. With the new coins and tunchain. 500 million every month.
Yen last week early this week yenya krata me mo insurance company needing
okay
but na omode paper bi say debit note omode bre management no say aka chere say yen ye gina ye manfo anem e na me anka sanso no sika no me say atua bi
okay
Boama so ati. It is a boama delegate me. Say the delegate honorable Prembe so nkosi ma na wa assembly no. Say onu bibia ebeboa atasoma so ni electoral area no.
Yes.
Say hye bi ba na ebetia wono ankasa honorable Prempe. Na ebetia ne manfo a so hwehwem no hu.
No correct.
Tie ya hwehwe hu. Debit note insurance company no e de bre management. Yensa akadie no. Excess KJT insurance no. Ewu 9th November 2021.
9th November 2021.
Yes.
And insurance in wu ye.
Enti sa November nim. Bill some de be etwa insurance sika. December 2021. Bill some de be etwa insurance sika. The whole of 2022. Bill bi omo de ma adwadifo bia no. Na insurance component wo.
Ana mutua ye.
Ya tua.
And I about 2023
January 2023 no somebody break adwadifo na insurance nti ye adwadifo de ye nim se dwa no insurance
nti musika ahye munema ahye mo gye de free management one
say ye say de ye nim se insurance odwa because ye twa no
nti mo ka mo gye de free management o
say ne insurance ho hye ye tie no ye ne ye mra nim fo so betina say because ye twa sika no
Ejo na je se mo ba ko se mo take legal action na
any avenue bia ye be explore but we say
no mutua de
because boy
nana prempem so busa sem se sika no mutua se mutua ka bia nim
but we say
na menya me no ne okromu na o ma se o ma dwa difo no light bill
muntia ne yes
different from service charge
now you see
good
na me so light bill is inclusive with the service charge
good push mama na yenye sa discussion
legalities go a lot to
good push a sample of
okay my sample of my light bill ne KJT bills
my bro bill so o bill for this month the bills includes your service charge and your electricity is part of service charge because I mean
na so mo ma yenya sa impression say omo de mo bills ne ba garbage we nyina wo so na mutua ne prekope
enye na electricity for
ekocho mo light mo yes
for 8 months na leadership we are try mo say
mo
be ma me copy okay mpacho say traders ni BTA na omo a copy of omo bills ni bia fa send ye na ye discuss it
so my culture
say
discuss ya no pay
you be heard the number of people are more market omo dodo say
more 7,000 shops
over 7,000
okay
me so o share your bill form no so a ye wo electricity o martin separate and at the service charges no
imam pacho me dey send onti
security cleaning and fumigation and then they constitute the service charge electricity is separate
separate but it's on one receipt
yes
one receipt
okay ma say receipt no ade no so no electricity your garbage your fumigation your security and your cleaning electricity nko for this month for January 2022 AF nipa kro no etia 52 Ghana cedis ana mebo
that month no na nipa nankasa bill na otua 102.56
102.56 okay
for that particular month
okay
and Libya
okay
yeah analogy am no yeah friend say that month otua 102 right including electricity and the service charge na France ni pa kro go tuamu obi a
abuja for and that TV ni so no enti onse omo electricity omo garbage omo fumigation omo security omo cleaning and electricity no 52 cedis garbage 9 cedis 48 pesos fumigation 10 cedis 11 pesos security 15 cedis 80 pesos cleaning 15 cedis 17 pesos okay ka de bomu a and acquire 102 cedis 56 pesos na as a calculation bi so aba for mo be 200 cedis
the previous one okay 105 okay when I make I said the menu akosi prepare what's your previous balance
yes
105
yes
meaning they have been an amount be a when for 1 month And you say we total balance and I say amount payable. 207.
Yes.
In the 207, let's assume say pay way make a go prem me pay. What do we brem because between BJ Bintino, Ebia, we only we ban my between 50 cities and 60 cities. Are you telling me, say, and then what say 200 the more what you be? And into what we are insurance
okay,
because the component there no it's a lot. So let me I can also argue say who's you can add the ban. It wasn't part of the insurance, but rather it was for electricity because we are still enjoying the electricity.
Matthias, kwesi imano na me nko alaji o.
As a honorable president me read the legal realm.
Yes.
What are calling legal
so mo be kwa say
you be use any legal opportunities available to us.
Yes.
If you cross we engage the assembly one-on-one. More tenants required. A legal process now the first. And not necessarily some could not the law
court no credit. Because no criminal agent.
Some no tenants castle. That's a me tobo barboa. Illegal. But minutia boam person no tenants. We see kwan ben ye be fast. Say illegal. Illegal process.
Asem court me court ka say momra fie message.
Any legal avenue.
Yes.
Any legal avenue.
Yeah.
Any a share opportunities.
Of course, that one I agree with you.
No credit. Matthias,
whereas in previous years, same way I can central market if you are that then. Sana bosomen son MOB me review and can say as part of the levy na me dey man insurance component to be.
Okay.
Did this as someone, but on say you say 24 worry pa near you. A then and a system or putting in place.
I say a robust.
And me anya adwuma bra na hia. 2 say yenua no mo a omo ho aka no. Yen ensem bia ye tete no e very gloomy ema omo that session.
Ade. Mo tete de.
On say me pese me cause fear and panic.
Yeah, te say proposal e ba say dwane yentum indefinite.
No, that session.
That session that session contains 200 and something.
So ebasa na the first floor and second floor. That extension
more than 200.
More than 200 shops.
Yes. That extension in both first and second. Oh, nti baby a edwadifo gina sisi ano. Ama. But when say the bigger market in pa na then as a system no. Efeli.
Okay.
Yeah, you see they been here kan. It's unfortunate say situation you mean. Osako antagonize the manager na.
Brofo no me tiefo no.
Just say see baby one. So also so manager no
many na asa what mia yere no a.
Because why you offer. But you see to me personally, Mr. Dofo is a best friend. But I've been complaining his competency so far as this management of the market is concerned.
Now you say the current manager of KJT market no. Is in doubt. Okay.
Because because maybe one of our sister station. Make a car on because the main entrance to a market near to baby near side wire washing bay. I have rock out.
Yes,
only.
Na pampa mo de baby mo to baby mo
de. I'm talking about the management.
No the hire was in bay.
I want say nipa bebre even ko yenua no adwafo no be perceive say na na prempe ka management ho. Me ka management ho.
On ka management no ho.
No.
Na say your war
mo shadow management members.
See, say
management no mo ni rep back crowd.
Shadow management. Don't want the executive of the federation.
Okay.
Federation of what's that? South Federation Rubin secretary. They don't know shadow secretary to the management.
Okay.
I don't think I'm more to me intersecting documents.
Matthias.
Non-payable members of the management.
Matthias.
And yema we na APAP no. Eye mpanyifo bi tiri mo pon epo bi omode boboye. Say yemfa sa nyansa kwan we so emu kumase adwadifo.
Okay.
Yen ye humu bi abatan. Bo ama me man feel like this. Wonim say in the coming days ye mu be person ye be appear before the committee because in some way tete no cry that insurance component in the crown enye adwadifo na say necessity etua
saa sika na omuji from ho so mo de kwa akoye insurance dia ma say enye se mu na wo se mutua ba na omuji from ho
I disagree
then o dey say a committee then na sabe ye kura no say o share bill no so no then na wo so nye garbage
yes
enye fumigation
yeah
enye security
and cleaning yeah
water bill show also
so it go under security
CCTV maintenance it show also
it go under security
EPA it show also
EPA
that means it show also being liners it show also it is a yemu yenuanom enya yemu gidie ama ya anko fefe say enyema we nyina no hye bills ni mu a kebe de management nkom beka
yeah
it yen ka management ho
yeah
na press 2 seconds
you see the menu akosika was say the show we see does no security cleaning fumigation you see when you pick security
fire extinguisher maintenance in the ready for
when you pick security you can security and can say member of the
security interest watch my and
say be a security personnel is on na
okay
what I say insurance is part of security
okay insurance is part of
security
okay
insurance is part of security
and e chire mu
course papa course ya we do okay be hay okro ma
no it's fact go cuz don't go for cleaning na water be part of cleaning
yes
e dey be on the face of people no who a water bill but cleaning na why no the components be what made it up
okay
the same applies to security now because any kwan so mo kra na wo so tua
insurance
you see one typical example 30 seconds se me ma to commercial car you say like no ye transport
yeah
me to commercial car na me register me car no comprehensive and I even third party are you expecting say me ko fu sika me ko fa me insurance na that commercial car na e ko up and down no
ene be ye adwuma
sky omo tracker no ya jijo musica no enu bi nam de be insurance no
mo mate ne de James Nana Prampe oya assemblyman e ma de hye omo ye fanchire bra ene ne mpotemu
ena ba cho yesika ne we afide de na yetwa nyina sika ne we
mate ye meba part 2 minimum we alaji ukumasi a obre ho no baby ya ba bedro ni central market me se central KJT a ayesi yesi ne mu no ye kra de ahyase ne yesi na brosan a ka ne bi be pake wo soro ka ne bi be pake wo fom fom nyina be ye car park ene na dane shops nyina ene ye extension o central market yesuan lessons bi a central market extension na ye no ye de be ko ho no mo alaji kumase ne ayi ni
wa medical ache
ena kemi for so dia ba be shada kamu se 31st mpata ne kiosk ne container sesi kwa nyina no wo mo pra ni nyina de afiri kwa se be na kumase e be ye fena kronimu ya ye container dodo
medical ache ahwefo ne atiefo
yo
na no kre asame man for mo se no omo bre mo bre papa se we local government structure na nanka a unit committee for support wo mo so na unit committee ni nyina na enya adwuma
okay yi unit committee for ni nyina free
wo so nya adwuma ye to abama unit committee ye to assembly for aba ye to unit committee
for
so no assembly for no na bibia dey esi wo mo so ye bre
okay
na omo time so no omo nya mayor say be all share yeah time no na ko say jiman ubode disi abe no obi ape ba bi afa
na yese etoda so nipa na yeyi ne de na kwa assembly ho se mayor no ye nya ne o hye kakra ebo amakro ni ye fe
na ko say jiman se kuma se assembly de oba single attack ko say jiman ai ne kuma se fo nya di mo dance
okay
because yeah time say BBC be evidence ye kwa ukone pa na ka so ntia sia o se me ko ka cha ko say jiman yo ubodi ya na obi ape ba bi afa
the din kra to me pam
and the containers are but be obi at with the containers asami man ko ka sia wanya tan
no kre
so nti yeah time na different from omo time ko yeah the second assembly say first one is 89 to 94
89 to 94 and a momo betwa so
from 94 to 98
to 98 nti mo na mo yes second assembly yes starting local okay
second assembly
okay
the time so ne nipa elected members ne 60
elected members and mo assembly na mo yes 60 nana ene mo yes say
and the
40 okay okay see tete e be free mu municipal
assembly no near 92
na mo ye 92 samre na kwada so ametafo ofuru krom nyina ka ho
government appointees 26 kan ho na ye 86
okay and a government appointees and
mo government appointees here 40 something to that time assembly near 137
okay.
excluding MPs
okay.
MPs were count 147
okay
but and appointees is here 20
okay
it be 60
okay okay
and the time no if I assembly from people my no me mbobo because of my
ding
and the one much of us ya so dey we asema we no kai fa
edwadifoi
so just say to manage commerce ma say easy
ti hen ene den ho
hen den assembly man say woni den esema yo so ene den
na kemi na mu susu ma na ne ye den
na ko yo ho gentle utimi nya adwuma
no okay
utimi nya adwuma no because masa commerce management ene easy
okay
easy see omo time no dey in fact omo bre but ye time dey your panyi bi wa the mere mention of his name kwa no
ana kwesi agema
oba
no bi amane ne ma so
baba oh kiosk na esa ofri no motel ko nya no oba ma sin be yiri nyina afri ho
o ka che o se ko bo mama ne ese obeyini nyina afri ho
sometimes na eduta ma ye bebeto aba enti wa be so sa ko assembly ni be ifri wa se wo ebegesi
no cre
eti oma ompo wasa mi ndia ba ko friend pambo no o santasi santasi ko seji ma ti ko yi kiosk fi o sa twitwe ni na ma na o so be sa ba assembly biem enti the next assembly meeting no pambo ba no fra kuntunkuni
oba assembly meeting no fra kuntunkuni
oba no say me nuanom yesi bia manya yi o papa yo to adwuma obedi mo we area ho
o pesi etume
o si etume o ti masa say no masesa ye ta de ne lucky say ne ye wo e obi na ne din wo assembly ho ana o ti boy
na akwasi agema nwuma a oyeye e okumase woni ne ye adwuma ebi ne den se be ya ye nuanom na prempe no besua na ye de ewura ye kumasi mu modern na ye se o modern Ghana but ebi bia ye bia
ye so ye se abajimbre abajimbre bia ni ho abajimfo no mu nya sakra chen
ene mu
ene bia se ene so ko si dan a e fo nyina ye hall 3 bedrooms or so so they say no man ko ene kwashantino town ye won ton se Grace House ye water fufu ye wan ye sise ya se bi obi afri krum ba ko benya ba bia
ada
ene ye se ene ati ese ne ye kra na ye de ne nkoyi
pa na ye fie o nyina kra alaji yesa totals wo form abontin nyina tinsuo kra to
ene ties o de ne go ties pa police ties ne ye na to form
ye de ato form abontin
on fa o say abani patri Isa mi free am e come abusu afie e wa santene town mi kisa fo ko ye be me na bi ho ade e kwa che se o ye fie no se mi ni wo ba abusu dan me abusu panyin me dan si wo se ya
okay abribia o kwa
o se ante o mo twa je safo na ye tisi wo na se de be ya you know
okay
and so e bi o e fo nyina ye hall
ni mu
2 bedrooms osoro
e wosoro toilet and bath and then kwala no mo shesoro
your problem then what is your time then and mo ye kakra chen menu no ma mo brain
na alaji kejeti ya ho no kejeti yenye die pa e wo ho se ne na prempe ka kire se omu siye no omu assembly ne ye se ntomafo nko ankwa empaboafo nko ankwa ezo kwesi prempe mko we o makwa akwose na
alaji pacho anya ne yakunim memeti yi metimi ma Victoria eya omunde ma ye se omunde be hihye dwa no over ground floor around my police station in chain the nearby shops no salons
nearby shops na wo police station in chain ho nyina no salons
after no yellow na wo left one mo no electricals
okay
and electronics
okay
that the right side the hon mo utensils
okay
ukọ na kwase for the side the hon mo na area ho ni nyina no na e cold store
okay
say obi a wo de bia na kwase ntu hu stores akese na ho ni nyina na ye mo ton nyama foforo nyina originally e cold store over first floor first floor yellow no from Children's Hospital end to a Chamfor end no first 2 block yellow ni nyina no e right emoni anwa
okay
that is the original plan
okay
uko pink ni mu a esese eye provisions uko green ni mu a esese eye general goods uko asem last color ayese mumu ayi we kan color be o table color be
cream
na eye bags bags and entomafo in pink ni
bags and
me count first floor the pink in here
we are saying pabo wa nambo extension for no na
extension hormone originally agrochemicals
okay
first floor originally agrochemicals and hardwares
okay
over second floor first yellow no 2 blocks no 3 to 3 senke mobile phones and phone accessories and CDs.
Okay.
Second floor yellow ni pink ni nyina nke yentoma. Uko green ni mu a t-shirt materials togo goods no. Na ka uko the far ultra tailor for na that far end no ke US.
Okay.
That was the original plan.
But
when the allocation Tama kejeti afo di kan yewura mu no. Sompa kejeti old kejeti afo ni di kan
yewura mu.
Kejeti afo di kan yewura mu. Na me ye witness to. Enhyehyɛ no yɛ adwuma. Nkanya sa ka wo yɛ kwabe na oben na wo hwɛ coastal side ho na nka no na susun na wo na wadi kan yewura ma.
Sɛ nka bɛkɔ akɔfɛ no.
Na wonim sɛ nka yɛtɔn bibia ho ala sɛ ka wo bɛkɔ no akɔpre no. But wonim sɛ wonye coastal adwuma nti no. O ma nkɔpre ho. But eba se we no bepre aba no beba no eno na central market die no koye putupuru se esese enipa ne ba no enne kofa sa nyina
ba say allocation ye nyina zo no there was a shop allocated to Obia according to the commodity na dia oka so obeton
so you see management ni bem.
You see, me no
enforce that bylaws.
I boy
and ma Julie confirm me ma misisi say omune ede allocations in ma sa no mo ye no ba mo ba ye no na ma ba be say no.
Yes,
but you see there was no
mama nka dem
about enforcement me bo akwas me bo
dem ma Julie kan e no 100%. E no 100% say adwadifo ni wura mu no. At the time omoye allocation na shop near abo ama shop.
Yes. Me say me beton paper.
Abo ama na ye ba abo ama age the shop no. Or they rent prempe dia beton yomo.
Well, my cousin but you see, none of the problem they say.
Yes.
The management fault na me, I know na me blame no. And you see, adie ba kwa e na kwa need to the board. Now something na bambi no. You best started the whole thing no. There was a proposal. It wasn't part of the agreement, but there was a proposal. Saying Kayema contractor for to manage the facility for 5 years. First 5 years.
Okay.
Which na me for us pa. Because share akwasi cars wakase any man be crowd more year adwuma bi wa it was customized from
Brazil, yes.
And you know we should have 2 issues. One, the management, and then your O&M, operation and maintenance.
So the first 1 year,
okay. First 1 year, not contractor for none managing.
Yes. So the first 5 years, no.
I don't know to me as a so.
Okay.
Actually, say the first 1 year, no. If Janan Casano that time
MPK shape, okay.
By September 2020, no. Now we're in for no Juma by you. And the only thing for Mujumedium dear no. Emphasis.
But you see, a dear for fry first of its kind. And the DNA sequence in 5 years. Yeah, the amount say boy because say we a company na ati o ye tuaka see a kreska ye di tuya members of the management na o ti o ye mbese
aketua de mo boso me
e di na sequence say omo boa ye facility no yenka ye mo that privilege
so omo me boa ye
hwe okọ enkra AMA omo exchange omo ye omo ne Octagon omo see AMA dan mo there was another negotiation say Octagon would take in charge of Octagon share management of a dino for the next 25 years
nti dino ho baby tichomo omo na beba okay
ana AMA and so na say so the Octagon esi ono ne dino or say once we then we know the next 15 years property rate was a utu award dino no me so me the exchange for the maintenance of Mimi facility for 25 years.
For 25 years.
It's such a nice negotiation.
Yeah. Tidi ade na na see e ho kwan se Kumase na ye be with contractor for no.
What I say? But for reason being to the so-called authorities now no and they take over the whole thing. Okay, the first manager be Obai, no more friend Olympio.
Yeah.
The guy was trained.
Yeah.
And then the more Olympio free Hokoi.
No, yeah, Juma ONM.
Because Olympio was working the ONM.
Okay.
You see, and Olympio, on what time we could have engaged him better. But you see,
sometimes
Mama make us in
on the any Chanica in dollars.
Because
anyway, where the any in CDs. It's I didn't phone
quantify the cities into dollars
and see. No dollar ne who. Alaji, ebino say, ye see ne kase power central market. Kejetiano. Ni nua kase ne yesi no central market no kitwe ya yesi ye ene ho problem si enye gya no nko awu na no kra yesi nso bi talk kase wo kroma si no echifa edwane mu nyina nti de ne yesua ne ye de akọ kase pa ne mu
that's it hwe kejeti yesi ye hwe parking lot 7,000 shops
yes
na hwe parking space omo ye
kitwe bi o
108
parking lot ni say terminal ni say 108 and say car mienu timi si wono mo ategu ana meboa
ba ni nyina anya adwuma pacho
to say mistakes are here was say so mutimi correct no
central market ho
because makopa ke wa obi aloko mi a be 3 hours na me da ho
sir
it's true
3 hours
it's true straight
now kasi wona hu ba bia nipa no so afa
oh na ujina wasa the mistakes of my ye e ba ase no e so me hwe no correct no won kese no na masa na mana ma flooding
yeah
anya hon ko hwe kuma se news am na me assemblyman o hwe Islamic consumer na me time e bitim by assemblyman be say me ya sorry wa na dem say bi awono nature reserve
yeah
me ma o ma ene ko hwe ho hwe and now for your Pentecost deeper life for private churches almost seen so no this what and you want baby na ye time na ko saje mai e wo no ubesi we obama akwa mo abe me nka se ono ta na ebi ni ho de but na ente se enne ba bia nso bia yesi no bia so si dan na ko dakojom fada ko dakojom ho masa se e ho ye we ya ho eja mi ko school
dakojom ayi TUC wo ko ayi onyina na prempedia na wona wo hweso se we when ye hwa ye ezo mu na ja ye kukura da kase egui na prempe matwase state experimental
1967 ne kosu TUC was classroom na ye be clear ho I see the first TUC building na ho no that na ho nyina enne fa wa ya feel masa tinkan flooding no enche bia na atu ye wa
ndina ye hunhunu no kumase na nsen de ye ketua bi grafe se ye toa so se ye ade ne kukro ni nyina
flooding ne be sa masa ene man ko yi ye pompa ye se na ko pomwa na ye ntimi manage kumase yi for ye nya ye ho
okay ebinum etise no bibi edi nsusu e ba se ebe ya central market na ye si no nkasie ni nyina yemfanye kapa
and any 3 days the regional minister is above bato ewo kejetia amaye nyane ntie say the modification omaye no phase 2 na omusin and say ground floor ni nyina ebe car park
asie ni nyina tizeni omo ka kire kejetia sa asie ni nyina enjire ye say ye trotro ni ye taxi fo no ni nyina betimi akwase ho akwa konya ba bia gina
propose nso amakonto omaye konya say first floor ni nyina ebe traditional market inti ya maame ma no mu obode omo tonton sa banche bo bibia na ye nton
bode na ye di gugu form na inti ombenya baby so atena
first floor ni nyina ebe yes sir
okay
na local shops aba second floor third floor
second floor ni third floor no le be kwa sa shops no mo ye ni kejetia no ebi ho
e na honorable minister nso me yeti ase say o ma she contractor ne say omunye drainage system around the market.
Good.
Market ni na omunye retention pumps, retention tanks.
Yes.
And so e with the basement ni. It is ensuo ni talk said the kra no na say ni nyina ntimi antwa. Those retention tank no ebe absorb nsuo no na no so e de akokakra.
Okay.
The empire ye born say the honorable minister catch
ye no
omo be hwe amana yesa.
Yeah. Yeah, akosie kan nento aso ne say ebehwe so amana besa no sir reception tanks are no okay. One said there is some few portion of the entire central market area still go for that what
nkoko
adwosu echire ho na hono ombe
area onyina area
was a was echire ho baby by him am wo no
what straw no
so hono
omo yi omo afri ho
how different. You see, once we are saw the next phase of it. Some areas of the located land Libya, PPP. I don't know. There was a plaza together with
me producer say ofre KJT manager Mr. Dofo Senka oni eni nkomo so ntimi ne yankasa.
So that make catch say situation we must see here no in case one kasa
ma say ko timi ka bibi chomo mo na ma say
menene ya adre ya mama and you know me they see the working even to get possession of they say portion kakra na aka
no nkoko adwosu ho no
substance aye kan nyina o say that area o nyina yo because o ye nsuo mu pa
atacha pa
omo ono zo no
ye omo dey na soro ho no so esoro no ba baby a body
bola on side o dey secure
okay
so
okay
na o said o kind no baby there are some areas where I know there PPP is not basically
na abrosan bi na ne city se ne ode ko Roman Hill ho ne
mattress house society so the
okay ntia no besi what is any ba ko bi sikejeti a eni mo ho no
of course
okay
alaji ade ehunu say na central market kra eje ne no ho nkomo ne yedi na so moja
bibisa local government minister o say omunyai o so obebusam bibisa say e say omusika o so mde mom no omfa ma om no so onye no kresa na
this month ya no pam workers 1000
yeah mabisa no
eno kwa unim mami nti we hu
aha tikire me
enye oyo na esi ye na otwi ye esi ye mu a enye oyo na esi ye nke be ye ho press conference kra I'm telling you.
And come on, press conference.
Yes, Central Market. No, came on press conference. Abegusa aban sade.
Argentina.
Argentina you suro say. Empoye nuanom asesi e omu ho aka. E wo keyetie. Se ekobase. De ye tete no eye no kre say. Mu bedwiri wagua me we why adwuma we wagye usika ato nsa afiri ho awi.
Yes.
Because ye nkomo ye di aye nim ne say.
Omu ba bedwiri that side ni nyina abu.
We no defect liability period. As far back as September 2020. It way as baby say
okay.
Say KCML, any KMA, any Ghana buying, and say opesi kade ye. Na say
KCML wuska. Sika wajiji no dwemo for the past 3 years ni.
Say the hu sika da ho a. And before me ati say hu sika da ho. Ye kura no mogai. Na de yetimu sese na enye ende sika na ho
na brembe nti edwa no that person na asay no se koba se contractor for no committee na engage om so monko ya muni sika da ho no mo se market ni ye adwuma no management ni sika da wa mo de be. Yes.
Na say
say unye part of the management but came what wo
ofa bonku anazo ofa ni fa bibi ofa bia no. Ye wo bibi shem baby o.
Yo bibi shem he.
Baby, treasure ye be start market we can just here 10,000 shops.
Yes.
But you can just here 10,000 shops. Send ye 7,000.
E be nya 7,000. Na 7,000 say.
7,200 and
officially ye remo no na 7,000
and say back out
203 no eye ebra omububu baby hon ma na ye counters table concrete tables no na name and omububu bi de ye original na counters near 1,420 and na lockable shops no eye 7,000 and no me to abonten KJT stores 8,000 no originally lockable shops and kasa is 7,000 na counters 1,420 so out of that 1,420 counters ni enclave omububu bie and omudi ye extra shops
ebe 200 the whole car kosi bia no me say the ministry committee obe person obe kobi no me so omusi committee na me so person be kobi
good
e kwan ye be fa so e be yen say ye what 3,000 bi akodi baby den as at 3,000 no say emrebe ma yete say 3,000 be kwa so central market
yes
e do dey say no sabonsam na charge
3,000 na ekem no contractor for no information say we my omo pharmacy say be bia se na my alaji one
kokro meba no
da bi na
ba ebinum so say
phase 2 na omusi no lockable 6,500 leased commercial stores and 5,000
phase 2 ya kesipa na yesi
no the component 6,500 leased commercially 5,400 closed stores 800 kiosks 50 restaurants 40 livestock stores and 210 fishmongers and butchers spaces
new one na yesi
it is actually 3,000 etiquette anyway nana president
ebi na akodim ebi akọ na akodim na aye 6,000 eyi
na yawuti na make say de nyame adom sabonsam so adoma na de esi no
esi it is at 3,000 etiquette mu sika no
ti enye sa de a alaji kwa bu acho yo se meko court
ebinum so sese ye ne sa ebema adwadifo no bi atena fi achewu bi se yese that part no sa portion on be lock no kra
enya confirm ti yemfa
ma local government minister ene ne din komo nyina no tia
but utie consultant so mo so pede sa so mo bu sa side ni
so mo bu ni nyina egu no mo sa ye no for
dia on the sa no so mo ye
na wan e betua sika ni ho
aban ni ho
local government minister komo ni e dia o buje say ya confess ana me busa say managers na omo hwekejeti ano so no enti simple ne taku na omo gigi free adwadifo no omo ni sika da ho
sika na e wo no sika na adwadifo ni bi etua shops ni sika no
e wo hin
na ne hihye ne say say ba mature stakeholders e wo dwani mu kemi a percentage e wo mi is it 16.5 16.5 Kumazi traditional
out of 100
yes
16.5
was 60
the chance
contractor
no 60 to pay back the loan
okay
and a 40 na kano KB 16.5 traditional council was 7% 7 making 23.5 yeah and then say local government one there finance one there and they do first that company
20%
management no
initial now we say management is 50 but management no based on interactions with Nasado for
almost 20%
out of that
na say you mu sika da ho betimi de I see maintenance na see ti commenteni
na di wuti
alaji nyesa maintenance na see ti go maintain it na ka Mr. Dofo nkoto wa yere
na say you trying to from here yes as can be near the channel
e no no dey maintenance no abza for adwadifo no so mra alaji ha
me busa percent na price nana nansi central cat confirmation teaching hospital
yes
na maternity abc wa yes esi wa change ye bubu esi ne foforo na say grow from jom 3.1 yes 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 starting here NDC for about 8 years ago. MPP was about 6 years in it. Say marketing, they na hold on them, you know, or
Mo.
Yeah,
any other satellite market wo kruma see. Yeah, Janice ah.
You says be buy no. They are there back what something na dey super. And do sure Yera amama here be presentation chair assembly the general assembly.
Na pe honorable OCB so no chair stores no. On the chair stores no near process on the chair as mayor on the chair send on the trans chair stores no on the chair also ankasa also ankasa na ye hwese ye benya ne ono susu siye no ne ono no hwesiye no on the wagia tum so be kasa but ose ma no some few minutes binti
the allergy question Central Market, I grow from last year and our last 2 years. Assembly no, you ran one by presentation saying, Emma, Assembly no ma quasi and quasi loan from Fidelity, not Fidelity, I saw by me a bossa 50 million Ghana cedis. That the other woman say, no, say ye true letter because Osha no ye GOG.
Nyane so obi susu sike bia could build operate and transfer mine bia bemwa yesa modene kai
tabi obi enu e de ka twen mame chum enti ye try letter of no objection to central government and o my kwan say what the project na share yes as etimi koje bosia etimi de and ye ni fide de ye share CAP 50 million the 50 million will come in trenches. First, I be second, I be as one contractors here. Omudi can release it 5 million. And no, and the Cobas Assembly no, the year process. Yesike benye free KJTiano. A big guarantee because scanning your own do donor fidelity in the Kuguye. And nunti, ya say 16.5% no. Ya big guarantee. And no na traditional cancer car say, it's a Kumasi here no. Not central, I crow for market here no. On also 7% or the back year the no impo say 60.5% na so guarantee na was here or the account almost the first trend buy okwa empatana won free no na mo so the obo ko bo si aboso e ye adwuma kakra wo ho na wo say e ka second trend ni adeba between Euro SCB na Amama and Fidelity ye nim the see second trend and ma wait me say adwuma na wo say ka ho
okay that's it.
As we are speaking, no, you rush and prime by. On also try say 2 areas no worry. Say even Fidelity this year no, say Fidelity could pull out. I can tell you say, process was a Kenya from KJTiano. Fidelity pull 5 million no from year because I can't so no.
Okay.
First transfer the man.
First transfer the man. What pulley straight up.
That's what because I
okay now. Yeras and prime by no, ye trans no. Says here were areas be 2 and 3. Or no, say, do we go back to central government? Say your bar, say your best, say your coyano, and disable why any and which is not possible to me because the central government bet me aya say the land can kadada come up here and no more priority. The next option, ye will project be a ye friend or Mayor City Challenge. They said the secondary cities now municipal assemblies and yes can
okay
where you Bosnia is kept so I think it's $25 million as a bibisa. Person of the Mayas Bosnia say you find dia capital intensive for bet me to back the loan.
Okay.
And no the focus a market, transport and other areas. Yeah, the crop from so no I one thing.
Okay.
Apart from
25 million ebeson.
Oh, of course.
Okay.
Crop from so cry. Ukra like
in your estimation.
Yes, Ukra about $12 million. I bet me a microphone.
What's my view?
Currently, yes. $12 million per estimation on my yes.
On my yes,
$12 million bet me a real.
When is 25, you be 30 million actually.
Now, no, another option is they said they're now working. First, I stores now a one mu pass in. That time no, almost 30 and almost the man PPP.
Yes.
Private person be and a year anymore.
In
fact, they started Fidelity and negotiation. No one knows who she is. But the thing is, on only view the another year, the and Nemo stores they obey to their ma, Ajinesica. But I said they are so bad. And as a businessman, I was one of those. And a project, a cocoa currently. ne mienu nyina akobom
okay
enti no oka say obeba be ya opeso mu say ye ready say ye be ye de no so that in fact me can say me no ne amoaman ne any presiding member share e ma ye catch straight say ye start ye de no no in the capacity say obetimi aya ye be buy out what means say sky de ye project we no ono zi ka bia wom no ye betu
ama no na magini na
project no
matena na mama nkwa o ma no so ye nkwa o ma no so ye tiefo mu tie ne adwadifo yo mpeso mo bam me ba cho betima join ne yen 0551931931 and 0548931931 0551931931 na 0548931931 obetima ba mi yen edi enkomo. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Ambajo, good morning.
Me ba cho ni se na ka se free he.
Me diane kwabna.
Mami ntiwe.
Me ba cho me say. Na say no ko bi anye. Ya fa no ko bi anye mo ba bi a. E ga na issue no. Na de se bi akọ na nim da. From management, e ki yeni npa na e wodu mo na kasa no. E duebo. O so mo di o mai gata si bo dum a. Yes, in Mobia and Zoom, but in the same in a man that is Zoom. I'm a cat is near what you plan. You can get your house who are well young and
got us now. Yes, more moon some no more consum.
2 persons, men private coach and Uncle Chia, who has done so. It's not about the inside door.
Mate. Hello, good morning. Hello. Yes, but you didn't say na kasa free. Naja fi mami ntiwe.
Mami mbo apato. Odi se preference. Mami shawa kish. Preference for me na mami shawa na like. Ana kama dili zo ke mami shawa. Ko so bi gami. Se nyame bua pa ni nyame kama. Ne se we bi fi ba ni na je na mu ni la pa. Kanti mem. Because
oba muni.
The battle of Libya.
Also oba muni.
Asanti am nyame kan wachia. Kofa de tafaka abana twanya mamya ne ya jelki mahije mutire rakon ta ya sabi ni de utie asiwo ya muko na munye ko market man na jelki kama ni ba ke system pa na kan ta ye ni tuye ana na otu mi de sa Libya Borga de card be what
Mate. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Me ba cho din say na kasa free he.
Hey, nigga so.
Me ba cho me to nka o din dey say. Hello. Me ba cho din dey say.
Media course.
Na pa cho kasa free he.
Kasa free bookroom.
A course mami ntie we. What's ne say?
Na pa cho asem na eti ye no. Na mo so bi nu e dia na ye no kra na na enye no kra. Mo so bi na nu e dia no.
Yo, Mati, ye bebusa ma na brempe ube yano. Hello, good morning.
Morning, dingy man, na test of crop. What is it?
Adom now swear. Maminti way.
Canada, Akosia Kayo was a emergency country. Akosia no for me, and papa. But the Ghana emergency country, and Paso. Once you see and paying for an emergency. Oh, I'm recovering about. I can't sound with big management. Not fire the tender here, Juma. I want to get tender.
Okay. Mate, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa cho din dis na kasa free he.
Na continue kasa free sankole.
Na continue ma mintie we.
Na. O man e wo kono se kan for ya se science man bi ne ni ye bia. O man no ye be boy e mo brosta to da kingdom come. Because yenya tembia ye o man no basa no abredia ye ne na sanko di ne me die nim. Enti tembia no ama suban na ne ye de nan ta citizens ye ko leader. Suban na ne di ko leadership no. Enti say as the suban ye be boy e fun brota tigana ni bia se suban.
You Mr. Sumeda sepa na prempe na ose yesi dwanu bi na enu aduane ne gya no kofa ba e no kre.
Once me catch us say can nipa di kan call hontem. By the time you do na ngusi na yukumu. Eti say udru baby na ngusi ayukumu. Odi ka try say we bedum eja no. Na nim di fon so a omu ye edwa ho adwuma fire service for no. Enre nyina de ho de ne enom ne ho. Omu ntimi pinpoint ade pot ya edija ba. Aye akay na bi ne so ye.
Mate. Ghana system. Now hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba chodi di se na kase free hin.
Your friend will for it. Me kase free.
O kase free hin.
Abushakuru.
Mama ntie we, mama ntie u.
Me contribution.
Ye online ni breaky pa so jina ye kakra bi mama a.
Me say the contribution.
Aha.
You can feel it. How much it? What was that? He as any packing. Start packing. It will win
yo mate o contribution na saa na empanimfo se ne na prempa aka kire no o se saa na empanimfo aka kire wo mo se ase ni nyina ebeye car park na aye lorry parker ye trotro ne ye taxi fo yi wo benya baby ejama memfa last call na ye conclude jemedie no. Hello, good morning.
Hello, my good morning.
Me ba chodin di se na kase free.
I am from the
Mama ntie we ba for.
Ya me nse wudu se ko me yi container ni ade ti ba ho. O e no no mo ye me
anu ya ofori kro municipal na eye se kemefo aye ne se Yakopon ya adoma 31st no kra na prempe next week e beto aso 31st omo ebe clean ye kra mu nyina e to ofori kro mso so adi ka start omo de deda enti na mo matu amanfo afri ono
na be ma ya.
Oh, line na cat went me nyina so. Hello, good morning, last caller.
Yeah. Kapa kuno mbele wa se one game wo.
Adentia.
Na Libya Borga, imagine say enka we see e cars wa se wa ka o ndi besi. Wona fo apo ba ni ko ho.
Na se we so cars wa se.
Le do so sa. Le dom no nyina be pa ka ba ene se jani ya so ma hu ne ka ba.
Mate, yeah. I also saw the no. Alaji, ye pon, ni odi jaye na sorry.
Them the jack is a Ghana for say. Se Ghana be just a Ghana for nyina asesa.
Okay.
And your political party.
Okay.
And you just a Ghana for nyina asesa.
Okay.
Sana Ghana beti my ye.
Pacho. Na prempe.
Yo. Me kwande won se me de made ba ko pe. Yura da chene John Alan Kojoche Martin. And na yet to us a 20 years.
Echina obo kumasi na kweside. Okay.
Or Kosrim.
Okay.
Or Savannah.
Okay.
Be or Chawunti me ma kweside.
Okay.
So I take a vice president beba.
Okay.
TNG I be so be kwa kweside.
Yebeko kwa kosum.
Ye catch a delegation I say said the monument PP ye traditional.
Omuni so
free titi.
Okay.
And one.
Kwesi. Alaji.
What kind of idea? Me Alan Kojoche Martin. Me from 2008. Me did a chia.
Bisine.
So I say, na me representative of Samia. Ne mom say me nuaba. Kana Japan. What do you feel you are Canada Japan? Say Alan da wo mu de ba mo say dem wo Canada Japan.
Okay, Martial. Okay,
Alan da so ni mu. Abasa ne kan ye de.
Kwesi.
Na bo man.
Kwesi yamko.
Me pesa me kan enyi twa to. We de me komi nua no madwadi for straight. Se si e ba ye ya tu dwan mu yi. Ye ne adwadifo ne ye ho aka. Mesre se ekoba se nyame adom na empanyifo obue dwa na maye ne a. Yemfa edwane se eyeyen dia.
Good.
Ma yenkoye ade a yekoye ye hukuma sesem me na menya misika me na mabeje me store na yenhwe se enhyehyeye ya management no ede begu akwan mu se ye de beye adwuma no ye ni so because eba ye japade ahwire me ntise se ate manager ne pay so
okay
me ntise ate se yato management no
mate yeda se sports team na som atapoku Jeffrey Asare